Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Samsung ice maker is probably one of the most essential components for any household that enjoys chilled beverages and convenient ice access, ensuring your refrigerator continues to produce the ice you need without interruption, especially when you're entertaining guests or simply want a cold drink on a hot day. Number 5. Samsung DA97-15217D Refrigerator Ice Maker Assembly. Ensure your refrigerator's ice maker is functioning perfectly with this genuine Samsung part. It's designed to be a direct replacement for optimal performance. This assembly is a genuine original equipment manufacturer, OEM, part. It's specifically designed to replace your existing ice maker assembly seamlessly. This part conveniently replaces several older part numbers, including DA97-15217A, DA97-15217B, DA97-15335A, DA97-12317A, and DA97-12317B. Check compatibility for a perfect fit. Keep your ice bin full with this reliable replacement ice maker. It's built to the high standards you expect from Samsung. Designed for a straightforward installation, you can quickly restore your ice maker's functionality. Enjoy fresh ice again with minimal hassle. As a genuine OEM part, you can trust its quality and durability. It's the best way to maintain the integrity of your Samsung refrigerator. What we like. This is a genuine OEM part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It directly replaces several older part numbers, making it an easy upgrade. If you're looking for a straightforward, authentic replacement for your Samsung ice maker, this is the one to choose. What people say. The ice maker works great and makes ice quickly. It was easy to install and fits perfectly in my Samsung refrigerator. The design is sleek and it doesn't take up too much space. Number 4. Samsung 9-Cube Ice Maker Assembly DA97-07365G. This is a genuine Samsung original equipment manufacturer part. It's designed to fit specific bottom freezer refrigerators in the Samsung RF26, RF42, and RFG29 series. This assembly includes everything you need: the 9-cube ice mold, the control device, a 12-pin wiring connection, and the housing. Enjoy a steady supply of ice with its impressive production rate. It can generate approximately 84 cubes within a 24-hour period. This part is a direct replacement for your original Samsung bottom freezer refrigerator ice maker. It replaces part number DA97-07365A. Ensure your refrigerator continues to produce ice efficiently. This OEM part guarantees compatibility and optimal performance for your Samsung appliance. What we like. This OEM ice maker produces a generous 84 cubes per day with its 9-cube mold. If you're someone who uses a lot of ice or frequently hosts gatherings, this is an excellent choice for consistent ice production. It's designed for specific Samsung bottom freezer models, offering a high-capacity solution. What people say. The ice maker is a perfect fit for my Samsung refrigerator. It was easy to install and started making ice within 24 hours. Number 3. Samsung DA97-15217A Ice Maker Assembly. Ensure optimal performance with this genuine Samsung part. It's an OEM authorized component designed for your appliance. This ice maker assembly is designed to fit a variety of Samsung brand models. You can trust its compatibility for a seamless replacement. As an original equipment manufacturer part, it guarantees the quality and reliability you expect from Samsung. This is the official part number DA97-15217A. This component is manufactured in the Republic of Korea, South Korea. Experience the quality of its origin. Upgrade or replace your ice maker with confidence. This part offers a straightforward solution for your needs. What we like. This is an OEM authorized part, guaranteeing quality and compatibility with various Samsung models. Manufactured in South Korea, it ensures precision engineering. If you value authentic parts and are looking for a reliable, direct-fit solution for your Samsung refrigerator, this is a solid option. What people say. This ice maker works great and makes ice quickly. The design is sleek and it fits perfectly in my refrigerator. It has a large capacity and produces plenty of ice for my family. Number 2. ClimaTek DA97-07365A Refrigerator Ice Maker. Introducing a brand new refrigerator ice maker from ClimaTek. This unit is a direct replacement for your existing ice maker. This part is designed to directly replace the original part number DA97-07365A. It's a perfect fit for your appliance. You can rely on this top-quality replacement part. It's built with durable materials to ensure it lasts for years to come. Installation is straightforward as no electrical modifications or adapters are needed. It's designed for a hassle-free setup. This versatile ice maker is compatible with Samsung refrigerators and many other brands. Enjoy reliable ice production in your kitchen. What we like. This is a top-quality ClimaTek replacement part that directly substitutes for the original DA97-07603A. It requires no electrical modifications, making installation simple. If you're looking for a cost-effective, high-quality alternative that's easy to install, this is a great choice. What people say. The ice maker works great and produces ice quickly. Easy to install and fits perfectly in my Samsung refrigerator. The design is sleek and it doesn't take up too much space. Number 1. Samsung DA97-07603B Genuine OEM Ice Maker Assembly. This is a genuine OEM ice maker assembly, specifically designed for Samsung refrigerators. It's engineered to meet exact specifications for a perfect fit. This replacement assembly produces ice using a convenient plastic tray style. It includes the complete ice maker and its housing for a straightforward installation. Crafted with premium materials, this ice maker assembly ensures durability and an exact fit. You can trust its high-quality construction. Repairing your appliance is simple with this part. Be sure to consult your owner's manual for installation instructions. Choose genuine Samsung parts and accessories for reliable repairs. You can confidently restore your refrigerator's ice-making function. What we like. This genuine Samsung OEM ice maker assembly is built with premium materials for durability and an exact fit. It includes the complete ice maker and housing for a straightforward repair. If you want to ensure long-lasting performance and a perfect installation according to your owner's manual, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This ice maker works great and makes ice quickly. The design is sleek and it fits perfectly in my Samsung refrigerator. The ice produced is of good quality and consistent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.